I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing hardware and software so the install goes smoothly. Plug the Kraken X into a rear USB port. This reduces power and audio interference. Once done, download and install Razer Synapse 3. This is necessary because Synapse enables the Virtual 7, one processing and EQ customization. Make sure you sign into your Razer account because Synapse stores profiles in the cloud and it simplifies firmware updates. After Synapse installs, allow it to detect your headset before moving on. You now enable and tune the virtual surround processing inside Synapse. Open the Kraken X device page, then toggle the 7.1 surround option. This applies Razer's virtualization to stereo drivers. Next, run the spatial calibration test so the software maps virtual channels to your perception. Calibration improves positional cues in games. Adjust the built-in EQ bands and set mic level and side tone so you hear yourself naturally. Once satisfied, save a named profile. This makes switching between game or chat presets immediate and repeatable. Finish by configuring Windows and testing the result. Set the Kraken X as the default playback and communications device in sound settings, and disable duplicate virtual drivers to avoid conflicts. Test in a game that supports positional audio, then fine-tune sensitivity and EQ to match your ears. If sound is missing or 7.1 won't enable, first update headset firmware in Synapse, then reinstall Synapse and try a different rear USB port. If problems persist, restart Windows and rerun calibration to clear configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.